This video will show you how to replace the lower sash tilt latch on a custom wood double-hung window. First, move the latch to the retracted and locked position to gain access to the attachment screw. Remove the screw with the No. 2 Phillips screwdriver. Next, pull the latch up and out of the slot to remove. Insert the new latch in the same orientation and lock the pin in the retracted position. Now, secure the new tilt latch with the provided screw. Repeat this process for the other side and check for proper operation. For additional information and complete written instructions for tasks depicted in this video, visit www.JELD-WEN.com, or if you have questions, call us at 1-800-JELD-WEN.